G'day fellow miners, and welcome to another episode in my all new Digging Minecraft series. Today's episode we are going that way, over there. Bucket-O-Matic 5000. I forgot to show this last week, or last episode. I implemented, or I put in a Bucket-O-Matic 5000 because I built it. Anyway, let us proceed. We are going to the end again. Be concerned, I'm running the latest snapshot. It is 12W38B. I don't know whether you can hear that. The footsteps sound a little bit different. Can you hear that? I'm not going to turn things up because some of the new sounds are amazingly loud. So we're going to go through the porthole. Whoa. Ah, what a bummer. Wait a minute. I'm going to steal this minecart here. Because this, we are... Just wait till you hear this. Listen to this. Oh my god. I can't hear you over the train. It's very loud. Very, very loud. Why is it so loud? It's incredibly loud. Oh, goodness me. Oh. Ah! No! 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 Oh! Oh! Yeah. So that's a thing. Yeah. Yeah. That's a thing. Let's just pretend that never happened. Just go on our way. Yeah. Weird. So there's a new sound for exiting portals as well. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so. Oh, you know what? I was doing a tutorial and I forgot to switch back to hard. Anyway. Let's get down there. So I finally put in my ender farm. Made a couple of little changes to the end of this walkway, the little work area. As you can see, I have put my dragon egg here. Oh, dragon egg. On a little pedestal with a bit of light above it. And I just used the corner stairs to finish off this area. This was the plan all along. I really like the look of this. I like this corner stair inclusion is just brilliant. Really makes the builds look clean and neat. So this is the end farm. I've got to be very careful I don't look at any of these guys. Basically, it's the same design that Unhost came up with, and I will say, I mean, people are going to see this and go, oh, you copied Unhost. Like I said, it isn't exactly the most original design ever. It's based on the high yield mob traps that have been around for years and years and years. I can't get up there because there's no way to get up there. I built it, and then I enderpearled down from up there, from way up the top, which was a risky move because I could have ended up in that fire, but I got down anyway. I didn't really use good tools or anything like that. But it works quite well, It works quite well, and I will show you. You just walk in here and stand in the center, and then you hit. And I'm already level 20 or 25, so it's not going to ding 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 ding. It plays a little tune when you level now, so I'm not going to go too far. Listen, listen. Oh god. Pick up these ender balls. Yeah, so that's another thing, that awful sound. As you can see, the end pearl farm works quite well. I did want to go up and possibly put a ring, and I'm going to be wise about this. I do want to go up and put a ring. I want to get rid of all my good gear because I could possibly die doing this. Let's just get rid of all of this stuff. Torches or arrows. I really need food. So we want our ender pearls. We do want a pick though. Just got to find a really crappy pick. Well, that silk touch pick is nearly dead anyway, so we'll take that with us. This could be pretty risky, but I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, I think I just angered one. Oh man, you got to be so careful. Now, what I want to do is I want a water curtain. So I'll need my water buckets. So I want a water curtain. And the Enderman noises are just crazy as crazy. So yeah, this is going to be an addition. Am I right in the right spot? Yep. I don't know how high I want this water curtain. And I really don't know. I guess I could go all the way up. We can actually have a look at the mechanism involved with so yeah, you can see it's just the regular, like, stone pressure plates, repeaters set on 4, hitting it, going to a block which has a piston on top of it, so when the Endermen spawn, they're pushed off like less than a second after they spawn. There we go, there goes one. And there's that noise again. That noise is terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. And this goes up, I think, about 8 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 layers. Oh, I'm so high up here. Not high, but you know what I mean. I want to go out. I guess I want to go all the way up. Yeah, all the way up. So what I want to do is, you know what? I'm an idiot. Anyway, I'm going to end a pearl down because I need half slabs for the top of this. So I'm going to have to pillar all the way back up again. Half slabs, they will do. I'll eat something while I'm down here. I might take some chicken up with me. It's not like I'm going to lose terribly much if I... Oh, that noise is terrifying. Anyway, so we're going to put a water curtain. I might get it back up there and I will continue I'm not going to have enough blocks. I'll continue once I'm up. So I'll be back. Yeah. Yeah, that's a thing. That's another thing. So loud. Alrighty. We're back. I'm back up the top here. And I decided on a slightly different solution to my issue. I am going to build, I think, not sure, I'm going to build this out of netherrack. I don't know how wide I need to build this to get it to be the right size for the water to fall. Anyway, it's got to be a double ring anyway. But because I had to go back and get buckets of water, I made a couple of iron pickaxes to... I need those, and I got a flint and steel to light this up. So I've just got to figure out how wide this has got to be in order for it to drop water where I want it to drop. I think it might be like this. I'm going to have to come back again because I'm going to need to make some ladders and check how wide this needs to be in order for it to not fall too far over the edge. So I will be right back. Okay, so we finally got the outer ring built, and yeah, I decided to go with netherrack, which I'm going to light on fire. I mean, you won't really, I guess you probably won't see it from here, but no! Okay, so we're back up here. We've got to deal with Endermen now. Because, seeing as I died... No. How am I going to do this? Seeing as I died again... Get off. I lost a pick. I had to go back and get buckets again. So this time... I'm not going to die. I got killed by the stupid shift bug where if you go into your inventory and then after you leave your inventory you hit shift, it doesn't actually register for some reason. I don't know why. This is going to be a long episode too. A long episode. Alright, so that's that done. Now, I have to figure out what I want to do about this section here, because I don't want the water pouring down there onto the platform. I guess I can just do it for now and then sort it out later. Just means that there's going to be freaking Endermen everywhere. And I also need to make an endless water stream somewhere here. So we will do that here. Oh, stop frightening me. So I guess we just go along filling each hole with water. Ow! So we can fill every second one, can't we? Then I've got to light the ring. Well, at least if I fall now... oh, that's going to wash out funny, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know what sort of damage this is going to do down below, but... at least if I fall now, I won't... I won't die. I can try and maybe get into that water stream. Really should have thought more about what I was going to do once it hit the pathway, but I guess it's just going to fall across the path and oh, splash, wash into where the Endermen stand for now. Anyway, I'll finish doing this and then we will go back down the bottom. So I got about half of this lit and I ran out of flint and steel, so I had to go back and get another flint and steel. And listen to this sound. It's the sound of flint and steel now. I gotta be really careful. I don't want to fall. I don't want to fall. And after doing all this, I realised I should have just gone with half slabs up here. But yeah, I'd lit half of the ring by the time I kind of realised that yeah, it's almost a complete waste of time. Okay, now we need to get rid of this pillar. Okay, so we completed it. We've got the archway here to stop water from flowing over the path. We got the little fire border. You can kind of see the flames up there in the ring. I don't know whether you can see it much from back here. No, you can't. You can kind of see the border outline against the blackness. When can you start to see? There we go. Just barely make out light up there. You can't see the flames, but you can see the light. And I went with a ring of flame on here. The water just drops all the way to oblivion. I may fix that. I may put something underneath there, although that is going to be incredibly hard to do. I might be able to set up scaffolding somehow, but I might leave it. But that's that. That's the ender farm completed. Very useful. Glad I made it. End pearls are awesome, and something that you can really use. But that's it for today, guys. It's been a little longer than normal episode, probably about 20 minutes. So hope you enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too boring and my deaths were entertaining enough for you. And thank you all for watching. Mostly, keep on digging.